safety and social impacts of household energy use. By the end of this unit, you will list some of the household air pollution gender-specific safety and social risks, as well as outline the safety and social risks for women and children. Women and children perform most of the fuel gathering in low and middle income country households. This presents a number of safety risks. Frequently carrying heavy loads of fuel on their heads and backs can lead to physical injuries such as cumulative physical strain, chronic pain, and rheumatism, and more acute problems such as muscle strains, spinal injuries, and fractures. These injuries can also lead to complications during pregnancy. Burns and scalds from domestic fuel use in households in low and middle income countries are tragically common, especially among children. Kerosene stoves and lamps are one of the most important causes of household burns. To better track the level of burns caused by household energy use, the WHO Global Burn Registry provides a standardized platform for data collection, analysis, and dissemination regarding burns and their sources. In addition to emitting high levels of household air pollution when burned in stoves, heaters, and lamps, kerosene poses other safety risks in and around the home. Poisoning by kerosene ingestion is another health risk related to household energy use. Unintended ingestion of kerosene is one of the most common causes of child poisoning worldwide. Another important threat to health from kerosene use is aspiration into the lungs. Inhalation of kerosene fumes can be fatal. On trips to gather fuel, women and children may also be exposed to bites from insects and animals. And finally, they may be vulnerable to the threat of violence. See the reading materials for more information on safety impacts of household energy use. Reliance on polluting fuels imposes other heavy social impacts, especially on women and girls. Having to spend time gathering and preparing fuels and cooking on inefficient devices prevents women from using their time in non-household related activities, such as income generation, education, or leisure time. It also prevents children, in most cases girls, from attending school, playing, or taking part in other recreational activities. An analysis of surveys conducted by WHO in a range of African countries shows that households which primarily cook with polluting fuels and technology spend more time in collecting fuels than those mainly using clean cooking solutions. For example, some surveys show women and girls collecting fuel for an average of 2 to 3 hours per day. You've now completed Unit 3. In the next unit, we will outline the role of household air pollution on the environment, climate change, and poverty, as well as discuss risk perception of household air pollution.